Alrighty, so here it is. Finally, it's here. The OnePlus 7 Pro. Still have to take it out of its wrapper and unbox this thing. I'm really excited. Like I've been waiting for this for such a long time. I've been watching the OnePlus 7 Pro and all of its leaks and rumors up until its unveiling, and thankfully I did order it, and now it's in my hands and I'm here to unbox it. So let's get right into it. Alright, here is the OnePlus 7 Pro. It came with a case, a clear case with it. That's great. Thank you, OnePlus. And I'm definitely going to use this case because it's a really slippery device. Like, first impressions, I held it in my hand. I was afraid of taking a couple shots with the phone because it was that slippery. I might later on get a skin, but damn, that nebula blue. That nebula blue is it's just looking really nice. Like, good job, OnePlus. Really, really nice color choice. First impressions, it does have a screen protector, which is nice. Now, looking at this and my Galaxy S8, but you look at that, like the phone fits, my Galaxy S8 fits in the screen of the OnePlus 7 Pro, so it's going to be one big device. I like that's got the mute switch button. The curved screens, I feel like they're a little bit more curved than my Galaxy S8. Obviously, USB Type-C, dual speakers, dual stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos, which is really nice. The SIM card slot is on the bottom of the phone. Up here is where we got our front-facing camera that is motorized. We're going to see that. Triple rear camera setup. We're gonna check that out as well. But before booting this device, looks wise, OnePlus, you guys nailed it. Awesome device. So this was pretty much a first unboxing and first impressions of the phone. Obviously, I'm going to have more videos on the OnePlus 7 Pro, such as like a review and how to create the ultimate OnePlus 7 Pro, things like that. But stay tuned for more videos on this bad boy right here. This is probably one of my favorite devices of 2019. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to comment down below, Superman that like button, and best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.